forgive me for turning on you. Action engages attention. Really beautiful saying in the passion test. Action engages attention. What that means is, how many of you think, and we've all heard, you got to work hard to get the job done. How many of you think it takes, to get the job done in any endeavor, it takes a ton of hard work? How many of you think that? Raise your hands high. How many think that's what gets it done? Oh, come on, how many? You know it's a trick question, don't you? Okay, so what it is really that's getting the job done is consciousness. Action engages attention. So if you're not all over the place and having 5 million things going on, but you know what your top 5 passions are, and you're keeping your attention on the things that you choose to create, those 5 top passions. I mean, I say, gosh, if I could fulfill my top 5 passions, my life is doing really fabulous, right? So you take your powerful consciousness, it's your consciousness. So when you're engaged in an action, what's engaged? Have you ever thought about that? You know, when you're working in something, you're focused, aren't you? Huh? Yes or yes? Yeah, so what's going on here is that your consciousness engages. It locks. And when you have a ton of things going on, have any of you noticed that it's hard to lock into, take that consciousness and really focus it laser-like? How many of you notice that? How many of you have had too much going on lately? And technology has really moved it. Hey, it is like, how many of you have an iPhone? Or the other phone, Droid? And how many of you could be on your technology 24/7 and still feel like you're not getting it done? Isn't it intense, right? So this is why I love the passion test. One of the reasons why is because it's the only test you will never fail, number one. No blowing it here, okay? You don't need to be fixed. You don't need to be put back together. You just need to be seen. And that's what the passion test does. It allows you just to show up and just be yourself. Be, shameless about being who you are. It's so beautiful.